In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Twitter community. If that is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. Open up your Twitter app and tap on the search icon that you see on the bottom. Once you're here, tap on the search bar on the top and search in the name of the community that you want to join. Search for the name and tap open it, and you can just tap on follow. Once you do, you'll be able to see all of the tweets that they have shared, and if you want notifications, you can tap on the notifications tab on the top and tap on all tweets. This way, any tweet that this community makes, you'll get notified. Similarly, you can join other communities as well. Just search for the names and tap on follow. So that was a quick and easy video on how to join a Twitter community. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.